Hello, my name is Abbas Samadi. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how we can create grid lines and reference line in Cype Architecture. But before that, I would like to show you my channel in YouTube. My channel is Cadsoft. You can find many videos regarding the engineering software inside my YouTube channel regarding drafting, designing, and some of the presentation which is conducted by myself for other software. And if you have any inquiry regarding the training and conducting demo, you can send me an email. Then if you have any request and inquiry, I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for subscribe my channel Cadsoft. Okay, firstly I would like to run Cype Architecture, which is belong to the Cype company. I click to the Cype Architecture. Cype Architecture is a drawing and modeling software. In Cype Architecture, we have four parts: file, recent files, help, and BIM server.center, which is connected to the BIM server.center by your account. The recent files go back to the files which is created in a previous project. So I would like to run a new project. I click to the new project. In the file name, you can type new project. Then you can type description, the new project, which is created by Cype Architecture. Then you can accept it. Then we have a two parts: select project and create new project. Select project goes back to the project which is created in a previous time. You can see this project is created by me, and this project is created by other engineer. Then if you want to open a previous project, you can click to the accept, or you can cancel it, or you can create a new project. In a project name, you can type a project name, for example, new project. Then you can type of project in a three parts: professional, test, or other. I'm choosing professional, and in the view options we have a visible in BIM server.center. If you click this one, it will be visible in BIM server.center or visible to my contacts. It will be visible for the other person who are seeing your project, or not visible. I'm choosing not visible. Then management of collaboration request. We have open to my contacts, or closed. I'm choosing close. And description about the project. You can type it here. Then click accept. Then click to the You can see we have a reference panel, we have a drawing panel, we have an edit panel, and we have a BIM server.center panel. So for creating a grid line, I click to the grids. You can see the window will be appear with the name of the grids. We have a add grids, we have a copy, we have a delete, and we have a move selected element to the list. Then I click to the add. You can see we have a reference in G1, position and orientation, which is the global in X coordination, global in Y coordination, and rotation in the global XY plane, and lines in the X direction, lines in the Y direction. For the global X coordinate and Y coordinate, I will remain it as a 0, and for lines in the X direction I add, and for the coordinate I will be choose it as a 0. Then I enter. Visible tag, we have a 4 parts: no, at origin, at end, at both end. I will choose it at the origin. Then I click to the next label. I will enter 3. Then again I add. I will enter 8. Then for the lines in the Y direction, I will let it be as a 0. Then after that it will be 2.5, then 7 meter, then 16, after that 18 meter, and here you can notice for the lines in the Y direction, the visible tag will be at the end. And if I want to define the elevation, here I can define elevation. I will choose as 3.2 and 6.4 and 9.60. Then I click to the accept. And you can see I created the grids, and if I want to see in a 2D from the projection, I can click to the X coordinate, XY coordinate, which is from the top, and ZY coordinate. And also if I want to see in a 3D view, I can see in this part, and you can see the floor 0.0 meter. If I click again to the grids line, we have a one icon with the name of draw on all plan views and text site. We can define the height of the text 0.3, and I can change it the color. I will define the red color, then I click accept. View option. If I don't want to see the height of each floor, I can uncheck the visible, then I can accept. Also, we cannot see any grids in the user interface. Then I click to the grids, then I will be active the visible. Also, if I want to see one level, for example level 3.2, I will uncheck the other floors, then I click accept. You can see I can see only the level 3.2. Then I can click to the rotate or 3D orbit. I can rotate it, and also you can see the color of the text. Then I click to the XY plane. If I want to draw a reference line, I click to the line, and I can define the length of the reference line, for example 5 meter. Then for here 2.5, 2.5. Then again I can draw until here 5 meter. Then I click to the 3D orbit. You can see if I want to get the copy, I can copy the reference line by choosing the copy from this one. I will unactive the 3D orbit, then we can active the copy. You can see I highlighted, then by copy I can get the copy to the other parts. Or if I want to remove it, I can remove the grid lines, or we can say reference line. Or if I want to draw an arc, I can draw an arc. Then I can draw a line. Then I can get the offset. By defining the reference line, we can define the line that we are going to add the structural element or architectural element for each section. Or after that, if I want to turn it on all the levels, I will go back to the grids, then check the other levels, then I click accept. Also we can create another grid, for example a G2. In the line in the X direction, I will add 5 meter for label B, and for lines in the Y direction I will choose 6 meter. Then I choose the red color for the grid color, then I click accept. You can see we can create another grid in the previous grid. It doesn't matter how many grids that you are going to create for your project. By clicking to the Add Grid, you can create as much as that you want for your project in a different way, which means X or Y or Z direction. Thank you very much for your attention to this short presentation. If you have any inquiry and request, you can send me an email to abbassamd90@gmail.com. Please make sure that you subscribe my channel Cadsoft, that you can receive the newest movie in the future. Thank you very much.